Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Spotify with Discord and fix it if it's not showing your listening status. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right to open user settings. From there, tap Connections. If Spotify is already connected but not working properly, tap the X next to Spotify to disconnect it. Now, on the Connections page, tap Add and select the Spotify icon. You'll be redirected to Spotify's login page. Sign into your Spotify account and agree to the permissions to reconnect it to Discord. Once the connection is complete, open Spotify on your computer and start playing a song. Now go back to Discord on your Android device and check your profile. You should see the listening to Spotify status displayed under your name. If you want friends to see what you're listening to, make sure Display Spotify as your status is enabled in the Spotify connection settings. And that's how you integrate and reconnect Spotify with Discord. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.